Jessica Pagadala, wife of Praveen Kumar Pagadala, and also as our God Jesus Christ teaches us to be in peace and harmony, we have to show through our lives also. We are not here to take revenge. We are here to preach, teach His kingdom. I request everybody who followed him to be like Praveen. He was a humble and generous man. He was not a person who takes revenge. He forgives everybody. We are here to forgive everybody.